Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some super easy DIY Dollar Tree and Michael Christmas DIYs. We're keeping on with the rustic theme because that's exactly what I'm going for this year. So if you guys are looking forward to seeing that, make sure you stick around. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of this DIY family by subscribing to my channel, hitting that bell, so you're notified every time I upload a video. For this DIY, I'm using a lot of leftover stuff that I've just had laying around. I have one of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and then I also have some Dollar Tree Christmas garland. I'm not really sure how many I'm gonna use, but I have 3 burlap, floral tape. I also picked up one of these butterfly nets over the summer. I don't know if they're gonna have these still or not. I have this mirrored box that I will link above so you guys can see how I made this. I did cut the very end of this bamboo, and because it's kind of hard, it did split, but it's not going to matter as long as you have the hole in there. So taking the Christmas tree, I'm gonna just put it right in there.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
So I used 3 strands of garland, and I was able to cut about 20 pieces of each. So I want to make sure that these stay put. I was going to just wrap them around, but if I ever want to like adjust the branches, I don't want them to slide down. I'm going to go all the way around, and then I'm going to wrap the piece with some of that floral tape.
Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell.
And then I'm going to do that with all 20 pieces.
Just so you guys know, I did end up using some lights and a burlap ribbon to decorate the tree.
Outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
Okay, for this one, you're gonna need 2 of these little wooden trays. These are from Michael's. These were 99 cents each, and I got 20% off of my purchase. I also have one of these little Dollar Tree lanterns, some Dollar Tree dowels. They come in a pack of 10. They're the crafter square. So I'm gonna make a hole on each corner on both trays that I can put the dowels through and then also glue in there. My drill's not working, so I'm going to use my wood burning tool to make the holes.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today.
Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Again, my drill died, and it's a crappy drill anyways, it doesn't work. So I'm just going to take my X-Acto knife and work out that hole.
Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming.
So I bought this acrylic paint at Dollar Tree, and honestly, I would not recommend it at all. The white one is super thin. I don't know how this black one is. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm kind of going to use it as a stain rather than a paint. I'm going to add it to some water just to make sure that it's going to be thin enough.
The feeling is right today. magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can't last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
You guys can decorate it however you want. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm adding. I have a bunch of stuff left over from last year. So I have these little garland stems. I think they sell these in a pack of 12, I believe, at Dollar Tree. And again, these are from last year. And then I just wrapped a couple of them on the sides. And just taking random decorations and adding them on there.
Coming, I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bad toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs pose and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did.
That'll be it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye.